managing time, people, and tools efficiently is vital for success in business today. Two terms you'll often hear in project management and operations are capacity planning and resource planning. While they sound similar, they focus on different aspects of planning. Understanding their differences can help you avoid bottlenecks, reduce waste, and improve project delivery. Let's break down both concepts in simple terms and explore how they work together. So, what is capacity planning? Capacity planning involves estimating the amount of work your organization can handle within a specified time frame. It answers questions like, can we take on this new project? Do we have enough people or machines available next month? Will we meet customer demand with our current setup? In short, capacity planning looks at the big picture. It ensures you have enough total resources, like staff hours, machinery, or tools, to meet upcoming demand. For example, imagine you run a digital marketing agency. You forecast that in September, your team will need to deliver 10 new campaigns. Capacity planning helps you determine if your team has sufficient working hours to complete all tasks on time. I have discussed capacity planning in detail in a separate video. The video link is in the description. Check it out. Now, discuss what is resource planning. Resource planning, on the other hand, involves allocating specific personnel, tools, or materials to tasks or projects. It's more detailed and operational. It helps answer questions like, who will design the next marketing campaign? Which developer is free to work on the app update? Do we have the right software licenses ready? Resource planning happens after capacity planning. Once you know you can take on the work, resource planning figures out how the work will get done, and by whom. Example of resource planning. Continuing with the agency example. Once capacity planning confirms that the workload is manageable, resource planning would assign a graphic designer and a copywriter to handle campaign A, and so on for the rest. Key differences between capacity and resource planning. Let's understand the difference with a comparison table. Focus. Capacity planning focuses on overall availability. Resource planning focuses on specific allocation. Time frame. Medium to long term. Short to medium term. Purpose. Capacity planning decides if you can take on more work. Resource planning assign tasks effectively. Level. Strategic. Operational. Questions answered. Can we do it? Who will do it and with what? Please like the video, that will be very helpful for me. How they work together. Think of capacity planning as setting the stage and resource planning as deciding who plays what role in the performance. First, you assess your team's total ability or capacity. Then, you assign individuals or assets or resources to specific tasks. If you skip capacity planning, you risk overloading your team or missing deadlines. If you ignore resource planning, you may have the capacity but assign the wrong people, leading to poor quality or inefficiency. Common challenges. In capacity planning, inaccurate demand forecasting, not accounting for vacations, sick leaves, or equipment downtime, ignoring skill levels or experience. In resource planning, overbooking or underutilizing employees, lack of visibility across teams, conflicts between project managers for the same resource. Conclusion. Capacity planning and resource planning are two sides of the same coin. One ensures you can take on the work, the other ensures it gets done effectively. Together, they help businesses stay productive, meet deadlines, and avoid burnout. Read it in detail or download the PDF. Go through the link in the description. You can support my work by buying me a coffee, and please don't forget to subscribe to Education Leaves.